are doing fine and safe wherever you are. I have just started this new series where I'll be only whispering and talking about our life. Our life, how we take in a positive manner. I think this is very important in our life, my friend, that we should not think too much. Actually, overthinking is the cause of any kind of problem. Because sometimes whatever you want to get, if we don't achieve that, we start thinking, and the more we think, we forget our current condition. We just keep on thinking and keep on getting depressed or upset. The first thing we have to understand is that why we think too much. Suppose, say for an example, somebody comes and talks to me badly. I'll get hurt, I'll feel humiliated, or I'll be depressed, right? On the other hand, the same person, if that same person talks to other guy or other person badly, I'll not get hurt because I'll consider, no, that's his nature, he talks badly to everybody. But then why he is talking to me badly, why I'm getting hurt? Because it is me. I always think about me. Everything we consider me starts. Our life starts with me. So slowly and gradually we become very much self-centered, and self-centered mentality creates selfishness. If something gives us benefit, if something gives us pleasure, then only we feel happy. Other than that, we feel that life has got no meaning, life is nothing, life is not giving us anything in return. So for no reason we are getting depressed, for no reason we are getting upset, and we keep on thinking why life is giving us like this, why we are getting this kind of approach, why people are talking to us like this, why we are getting this kind of result, or me. Just for a moment, do one thing. If you love pets, play with your pets, dog or cat. When you pet them, don't you feel happy seeing them roaming around? Don't you feel happy? Or if you like children, play with them for some times. Just see how they are lively, they are enjoying, they are playing without thinking about past, without thinking about present, without thinking about future. There is no prejudice in their life. Learn to be happy seeing their happiness. The same way, it is just as example I'm trying to give you, is that learn to be happy by seeing others happy. This is a small example, like when you are seeing pets around you, when they are laughing, jumping, you are happy, or when you are seeing kids around you, when they are laughing, jumping, you are feeling happy. The same way, we should be having that kind of mentality, seeing others happy. Always we only feel happy when in that situation, if we are happy, then only we feel happy. In our every situation, just think about it, my friend. The cause of overthinking comes from here only. That in any occasion, in that occasion, if I am not involved, in that occasion I am not getting any emotional benefit, then that occasion, it's not my occasion, or that occasion I am not bothered what is happening. So this is nothing but self-centered mentality. So if we can just learn slowly and gradually, if we can learn to be happy seeing others happy, as exactly what I told you a few minutes before, when kids are playing around, don't you smile, don't you feel happy? Exactly the same policy you have to apply in our everyday. By seeing others happy, the moment we'll feel happy, our happiness will multiplies, and slowly and gradually we'll forget that why you were feeling so unhappy. The seeing others, when you start feeling happy, you are not getting any benefit out of it, yet you are feeling happy seeing others happy. That time your happiness becomes so powerful, is that you stop thinking about me, and you stop thinking about why people are talking like this, why I'm not getting like this, why I'm not getting this and that. And this is how we start feeling internally calm and peace. This is how we start thinking the life very rationally. Because often in our life there are two type of thing. One is if others are really achieving something, seeing, we get upset. That suppose I am working, but my friend is also working, but he has reached to that level, why I have not reached? That will only create anxiety on you, because that's not very nice. We do in our 21st of century, we all are running, we all are working hard, so it is very natural that we get that kind of destructive mentality, destructive thinking. But we should keep those aside. By seeing others happiness, if we get angry, if we get jealous, if we get upset, these are all sign of negativity. That will only give us enough tension, that will only give us enough anxiety. If we want to hold that anxiety, if we want to hold that tension for years, we can hold it, but we are not going to get anything. In that negativity, in that depression, in that anxiety, it's like sinking sand. Go deep into that sand only. Instead, we should appreciate what we get. Instead, we should feel happy seeing others happy. Instead, when others are enjoying, when others are happy for whatever the reason, we should also enjoy that they are happy, they are smiling. When children are playing around us, we smile, we feel like hugging them. The same feelings when adults are also achieving something and adults are also happy, though they are not part of you, still you should feel happy. This is how your internal peace will come. This is kind of, I should not say enlightenment, that will be very big word. It is a basic step to discover ourselves. It is the basic stepping stone to understand our inner ability. We are human beings. We have every kind of power. But if we nurture too much of negativity, like only me, self-centered kind of thinking, we'll keep on going into that zone. Instead, we should utilize our all the power into positive direction, like thinking about others, thinking good about others. When others are happy, making ourselves happy just by seeing them happy. Those are all positive elements, my friend, will make us very positive person. And not only that, that will stop us thinking too much, because our brain will be so fully occupied with so much of satisfaction, so much of happiness. We'll have no other time to think about all these small, tiny issues which we keep always in our mind, and we keep thinking. Say for an example, somebody has come and talked to me badly. We keep on thinking for the whole day, why that guy came and talked to me badly? I have never ever talked to him badly. Don't think too much. If you have so much stress, go and talk to that person openly. That why, hey, why you are talking to me like this? Just a matter of 2 minutes. Any big decision in our life we take in a second. Any big decision or any decision in our life. Suppose when you are swimming, you have to dive. Will you think for 1 hour? Will I jump? Will I jump? Will I dive? Will I dive? Will I be able to swim after I dive? If you keep on thinking for hours and hours, you will not be able to even dive. Forget about swimming. You have to just take that step that within a second you have to dive. Right? The same way, every decision we have to take in a second. The same way, if any thinking, if you keep on lingering that thinking, it will be only overthinking. It will just pile on your head, but it will not give you any benefit. Any kind of decision comes in front of you, just give half an hour time for that situation to take the decision. Within that half an hour, if you cannot take any decision for that moment, whatever the moment comes in front of you, if you cannot take the decision within half an hour, you can be rest assured that that decision you have to keep it aside. Because any decision, if we linger for any decision, that decision will not take us to anywhere. that is the reason overthinking is also another kind of lingering decision. Overthinking is another lingering negative thought which creates in our mind. Don't let it happen. Don't allow that to happen in us. We are a human being. We have the ability to control negativity. We have the ability to enhance our positivity. We have the ability to live life peacefully with a calm mentality. So why not use that power to make ourselves calm and composed and peaceful? Because what is happening around us, that we cannot change, my friend. That will happen. Whatever generation we are in, that will happen all the time. It's been happening. That is not in our hand. What we have in our hand is our inner self. So instead of thinking what is happening around us, instead of giving too much of thought process about our thinking and overthinking about anything and putting ourselves into that depression mode, just take few moments about that situation and that's it. Forget about it, move ahead. Do not think anything for a longer period of time, because that will not take us anywhere. That will rather pull us down. And let us be happy by seeing others happy. The moment we will feel unhappy by seeing others happy, we will be self-centered. We will be called selfish. And if we cannot be happy by seeing others happy, so that means we are always unhappy. Seeing others happy, then I'm thinking my situation is also not good, so I am also feeling unhappy. So I will never be able to come out from that unhappy zone. So forget about that. Whatever situation you are right now, my friend, just switch 360 degree. Think like that. Feel happy for others and don't keep on thinking for any issue for longer period of time. Max to max half an hour, not more than that. Any decision we take, that is a sudden decision. Sudden in the sense we just take for a second or within a minute. As I told you a few minutes before, when we jump in the swimming pool, we just jump. We do not think for 2-3 hours that should I dive, should I do the swimming. Then we will not be able to swim, we will not be able to dive. Exactly the same policy applies in our life also. Whatever decision you want to take within half an hour. Don't linger. Whatever reaction you get external world, react within half an hour. Be happy seeing others happy, and don't give too much of priority to your negative thought. Don't think too much. Overthinking only put us down. That will not help us in any way, my friend. I hope this video will help you in any other way, and if that's so, I'll be very happy that I could make that. As always, my friend, I hope you all are safe and fine wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay positive. Love you all.